The General Assembly of Medical Associations of Balkan and Black Sea countries, initiated by the Public Organization of Bulgaria and Russia, was held at Neseba, Republic of Bulgaria, on September 22-23. The association's activities are aimed at developing professional contacts and exchanging scientific and practical information between specialists in research and education to improve medical care. The main goals of the General Assembly are to unify the efforts of national professional communities and physicians for innovation promotion, to acquaint the public with the most topical medical problems, to discuss at some with the latest advances in organizing a public health service, and to elaborate recommendations on its improvement. The Assembly's program focused on the practical and scientific information that might be useful to colleagues from different countries in their daily professional activities. The Assembly was attended by leading specialists in endocrinology, physiology and pulmonology, anesthesiology, reanimatology and narcology from Russia, Bulgaria and Belarus. It was graced by specialists from the World Health Organization. The General Assembly plenary meeting, multidisciplinary approach to disease management from diagnosis to elaboration of treatment concept was held. Reports were made by the physicians of world reputation. Academician Mikhail Izrailevich Perlerman, Head Department of Physiopulmonology, IM Sechenov First Moscow State Medical University. Professor Alexander Sergeyevich Ametov, President, International Public Organization, Diabetes International Program. Professor Evgeny Alexeyevich Bryun, President, All-Russian Public Organization, Russian Narcology League. Associate Professor Aysen Zlatev, Head Clinic of Pulmonary Disease, Sofia. The topical issues of diagnosis and treatment in medicine, the need for multidisciplinary approach to diagnosing and treatment diseases, the role of the society and the state in the public health system were under discussion. The scientific program of the General Assembly included section a round-table meeting, physiology, endocrinology, narcology and anesthesiology. Professor Alexander Sergeyevich Ametov is chairman of the endocrinology section, multidisciplinary and multifactor management of type 2 diabetes mellitus. The section considered the issues concerning the diagnosis and treatment of type 2 diabetes mellitus, namely, an understanding of the mechanism of insulin secretion, progressing approach to insulin therapy, variants, possible problems, and their solution in the intensification of insulin therapy in patients with type 2 diabetes mellitus. The most difficult clinical cases were investigated, which gave indispensable experience to the section's participants from Russia and the Republic of Bulgaria. The Narcology Roundtable meeting was dedicated to innovation areas in molding the population healthy lifestyle. The chairman of the section is Evgeny Alexeyevich Bryun. Its co-chairman is Dr. Georgy Koev, Head Clinic of Narcology and Toxicology, Sofia. The reports comprise the most pressing problems in the prevention and treatment of addictive diseases, the causes, pharmacokinetics and treatment of alcoholism, the prevention of addictive diseases, experience in organizing the rehabilitation of narcological patients, the role of the state in the elaboration of drug abuse prevention programs. The chairman of the anesthesiology roundtable meeting on the problems of resuscitation in intensive care was Dmitry Karadimov, national consultant in anesthesiology and reanimatology of the Republic of Bulgaria, Head Queen Joanna Clinic of Resuscitation and Intensive Care. The reports touched upon issues such as the differential diagnosis and treatment of types 2 acute respiratory distress syndrome, coma in children, and other problems faced by anesthesiologists and reanimatologists. The theme of Physiology Roundtable meeting was the topical issues of tuberculosis diagnosis and treatment. Its chairman was academician Mikhail Izrailevich Perelman. Evgeny Mikhailovich Belilovsky, a specialist of the World Health Organization Tuberculosis Control Program, is the Russian Federation made a review report of the global tuberculosis situation. In his report, Professor Georgiev from the Medical University of Sofia talked about the tuberculosis situation in the Republic of Bulgaria. The detection and diagnosis of tuberculosis in Russian Federation were covered in the report of Professor Olga Vladimirovna Demihova, Deputy Director for Research, Central Research Institute of Tuberculosis, Russian Academy of Medical Sciences. During the discussion completing the program of a Physiology Roundtable meeting, the colleagues from Russia and Bulgaria exchanged their experience in the diagnosis and treatment of tuberculosis, the development of new methods, and the use of different drugs for its treatment. During the General Assembly of the Medical Associations of Balkan and Black Sea countries, new important contacts were established and further collaborative agreements concluded.